Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will talk about the massive production for the EN01. This year, we sold this one about more than 100 devices. So I think it's time to do the massive production because it's much more stable. And the customer always ask me, oh, I already ordered the device, but it takes about 4 weeks. I still not get the device. So I think it's time to do the massive production since it's very stable. We also did some improvement for this device. We add the charge port, USB charge port Type-C one. So you don't need to take the battery out of the device and use this one to charge the battery separately. You could charge this one directly. You don't need to take off the battery. We also did some improvement for the PCB board. We redesigned the PCB board, make it more clean, and also make some improvement for the software, make it stand very stable. And like I mentioned before, we add the emoji screen. So a whole bunch of the improvement we did. And it take us about 4 weeks to get this ready. We purchased a lot of parts from China, and my coworker in China, they assemble this one. It take about 3 weeks to get everything ready. We redesigned the box, so we order a lot of PCB board, these parts, and put them together and pack them. It takes a long time to do that. So right now, I still have not yet get the bundle, but it may take like another 5 days. I will get all of them. So after that, if you guys order this one from the United States or from the North America, you will get this device very quick. Probably only take like 3 days, you will get this device. So before it need to take about 3 or 4 weeks, it will take a lot of time. Thank you for your guys' support this project. We do have this one in the Kickstarter, but it not get success. I will try next year. Since we already have 100 of devices sold, so I'm pretty confident with this device. So I think it's very good time to get its massive production. When I talk about the massive production, it's not like thousands of them. It's still only like 100 of this one. But maybe next time, if more and more people use this one, more and more developers like this one, I probably will do another bundle of production. So that may be in more than 100 or 200, something like that. So thank you for your support of this project. We will do more improvement for this one, and I hope you guys enjoy this project. Okay, let's show you the process of the massive production.